Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
So today is the 16th, time for another one, and where is it? Right there. Let's see what's inside. Alright, it's not wabbit season, it's duck season, so let's give this one a try today. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we got one from Nissin, Germany. This is another one out of the Advent Calendar box. This is duck. Quack, quack. Yeah. I know. I'm saying quack, quack. That's a little weird. Alright, so let's get this sucker going. Duck sweet onion soup. This is from Germany. Very cool. It is the 16th day of December 2025, and that means it's marching along right now, you know. Here we go. Let's see how puffy this little sucker gets. I just sliced up a cane of what do you call it? Narutamaki. I'm going to drop it in this boiling water over here. Start the timer here. And go like that. Yeah, wow. It is, let's see. When I started out, it was sprinkling a little bit. And then it got really, really, like, wet. And then it stopped being wet. I had to go to the store and get the scallions. And then what happened? It started raining again. And the rain, when I was last outside, which was, let's see, it's already 2. Well, the rain that was coming down, those drops were freaking big. I mean, big. I mean, big. I mean, big raindrops, and I got completely soaked. Like, but, yeah. I shot some more footage of the rain and such around here. Oh, by the way, this is, as I mentioned, it was December 16th. Today would have been my really good friend, Jamie Burridge, also known as the Reverend Dick Gazinia, my buddy Jamie's birthday. And, yeah, he died in February, and it sucks. So, it sucks. But happy birthday, dude. Wherever you ended up, the tunnels are clear, and I played the, I can never remember the guy's name, French violin player. But, yeah, anyways, he played with Zappa. How can I now remember it? What a weird name to forget. Anyways. But yeah, a good day, a somber day, a crazy day. I went and I saw this bridge yesterday. I was like, whoa, what's this? I've never seen it. I've seen it on a video game before, believe it or not. I saw it on Pokemon Go. I'm like, I don't know, this is around here somewhere. But it got windy enough and the leaves blew away enough, so I was able to see this little bridge. And sure enough, the bridge was there. Not only that, I cross the bridge, I look around, and I see another bridge. I have no idea how to get to other bridge. That should be known. But yeah, that was a trip. So new territory found, and as you can see, and that was cool. But now we've got to have some duck noodle. Sounds good. What else sounds good is my wife got me a nice thing of curry. There's a brand of curry that I really like. It's called Maya Kormal, and Maya Kormal curry, super awesome. Another thing that me and my buddy Jamie were huge fans of. We would talk about curries all the live long day. And yeah, I don't make it the way he did. He would make it way more. What was it called? BRC? I can't remember. I used to be way more versed on. But it was like British Indian restaurant curries. And I usually make my curries with a curry paste base and bulk it up with a little bit of water and some carrot and white onion. And I boil it down and I boil it and boil it. And thanks to my buddy Jamie, he clued me in about black coriander. No, wait, it's not coriander. Man, I can't think today, yo. Black cardamom. And Jamie was a big adherent to adding, just add one pod. No, you don't want to eat it. It's like, no, you don't want to eat that. But it adds like this camphor-y, trippy scent and flavor to curries. Anyways, but yeah, I guess what you normally do, you would like use something like you would blend it down so it would be more smooth rather than chunky. Like I use baby carrots and sliced onion. I don't like it all mushy. I like it with some texture to it. And then I found that it's really good over mashed potatoes, of all things. Kind of makes sense, but I don't know. I like it better that way than I did with rice. I used to only have it with rice, and now I'm kind of like not an everyday adherent of rice. Although I like rice, but you know. Anyways, here is our noodle in our sweet onion soup. Hydrated well. Ooh. Our broth. And it does taste like sweet onion. I tell you what's funny. As I mentioned, it's my buddy's birthday today, or would have been. After he passed, his family sent me these spoons. And it's really funny because he was so freaking worked up about these spoons. Look at these spoons! He sent me pictures and he was just like freaking pleased. Like, I don't know, that guy, I really miss him a lot. I need to send them a Christmas card. It's a little late. I'm sorry. I'm very slow on such things. I'm just really bummed, you know. I'm sure they are too. Yeah. So here is our sweet oniony, our stuff. Oh, yeah, we're good. So let's kind of do this a little bit. Honestly, I'm going to get rid of some of this. Yay, and that worked out well too. So, let's save you. A lot of the time you'll see me like getting rid of noodles. That's because I want you to be able to see the noodle and the broth in the pretty picture. And a lot of the time, especially in cup varieties, I've noticed, it's like really hard without just like removing product to make it so it could possibly be enough broth to be visually, you know, just other than just like a massive pile of noodles. So I just want to do it. There we are. All right, so we've got an egg. It's not a duck egg. I used to get those from time to time. Duck eggs are great. They're big usually, and they're very, very, I don't know, they're just better. Because, you know, an argument I've had for years is like, why isn't duck more popular here? When I spent some time in Asia, duck was everywhere. I mean, it was literally so easy to find a place that had foods that had duck in them. I would guess in the United States, most people haven't had duck. And I think that's a tragedy and a shame. So I boiled the narutamaki. It makes it bigger. It's like it plumps up. This is another spoon. This one was one that Jamie sent actually to my wife. And he sent special tea and woo! And she had a nice cup of tea. That was nice. All around nice guy. Well, here we are. Rotate. Well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, there'll be another one tomorrow. I'm going back out in that stuff later. I have to go to the store. Not much later, though. Yeah. Alright, anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.